Yes, yes, yes. Welcome back, guys. We've got a real lovely piece to talk about today. This Seiko 5216 here, the LordMatic Special, with this very, very, very beautiful coffee dial in exquisite condition, might I add. Have a look at this modified crystal here. I've upgraded this crystal to a faceted Seiko mineral glass, and you can see that sunburst. It gets that booster effect from this mineral glass, and it also causes this color to pop a lot more. Just a beautiful piece, really is. And if you want to talk about the case edges, this looks nearly like it came from the factory. So sharp all the way around. I've refinished the case. We've got this original LM clasp here on this funky bracelet. It's a real 70s looking bracelet, a real retro. Reminds me of an engineer's bracelet a little bit, but a little steampunkish, or perhaps even Mad Max-ish. Very, very beautiful. Very nice piece all around. I've polished this beautiful bracelet as well, so it looks absolutely clean. I love the bigger crown on these 5216s compared to the 5606. Just look at these case edges. Wow. The sharp case edges and the faceted crystal, they really work together in unison. And of course, we always want to verify the day and date are working properly with any of these pieces. I like the case on this piece as well. It really reminds me of the Grand Seiko form. Yes, this has been completely serviced and cleaned and Swiss oiled, and it is running very, very stable with a very reasonable amplitude, excellent rate, very acceptable beat error. Thanks again, guys, for joining Vintage Watch Street.